Previous session we have learned how to use a draw tool, modify tool, annotation, layers, groups, utilities, right? So using those tools, now we'll be creating a plan. So now to create a plan for at present situation, we'll take a reference plan. Okay, you can take it from Google, whatever the reference plan you wish, like 30, 40, 30, 50. Like that plans you can take it from a Google. So I have taken one plan for my reference, and I will be showing how to create a plan in AutoCAD using these many tools whatever I have taught in the previous session. So before starting, you have to set with your units. So as I said, I have already set my units, that is architectural precision is half inches, and a unit scale means insertion scale is inches. Okay, after that you have to go with a D enter, that is a dimension style manager. In that you have to modify. So what is your symbols, that is arrow size you want to give. I have given 1 inch, and here text height, what is the height you want to give, that is 1 feet 6 inches I have given. Everything you can keep it in a layer wise, so whenever you change the layer you can automatically work with that. So whenever you're working, you more probably you should work with the layers only. Then you have to set current and close. Then later you have to set with your limits. This is the starting thing you have to work with. So I'll be giving 0, 0, and I'll be giving 20, 20. Enter. So this is my limit. So Z enter, A enter. It is nothing but you have to zoom all your windows. So this is the plan today we are going to work with. So to work with this plan, I have only taught you how to use your draw tools, and inside there is a furnitures, so that we will be learning in a later session. So to start with the drawing, so first we have to draw the outer line. So that I'll use a L is the shortcut key for a line command. Line, just draw a line and say it is a 30 feet. So you have to use a single quote. So enter. Okay, then next is 40 feet. Enter. Next is 30 feet, 40 feet. So this is my outline. You can even check using a quick dimension, that is what is your dimension, have you done right or wrong. So this is 30 feet and this side is 40 feet, right? Is it right? Next we are going to give with the wall thickness. So what is the wall thickness now over here? I will consider as 6 inches, but here I actually don't know what is the wall thickness. It has been given because I have downloaded from the Google. Okay, so I'll be rarely standard we are using 6 inches. So you have to go with the O is the offset key. Enter. Okay, 6 inches. Now you have to use a double quote. Enter. Now you have to just select your lines, right? I have taught you the modify tools. So here you can see this is your offset tool. So I have used a shortcut key, that is O. Next you will be using, see here you can see there is a line, but for wall there won't be any line such. So what I want to show continuity, so that we'll be using a fillet tool. Okay, select first object and second object. You can even use a shortcut key F enter. So select this one and this one, you can make it a fillet. So all the corners I'll be using with the fillet tool. Next I'll be taking with the setbacks. To take the setbacks I'll be using a standard one, 2 feet 6 inches. So offset enter, 2 feet 6 inches, enter. I'll be taking an offset of 2 feet 6 inches, right? Now F enter. So this is your fillet command, right? Now what I'll be doing is wall thickness. Outer wall thickness standard I'll be taking O enter, 9 inches. So offset enter, 9 inches, enter. So this will be my wall thickness. Fine. Fillet command, F enter. Next I want to draw this toilet side. So horizontally 7 feet 11 inches and vertical is 4 feet 0 inches. So offset enter, 4 feet enter, that is a single quote. Thickness, inner thickness I'll be using as 6 inches. Offset enter, 6 inches. Next I'll be going with the bedroom size. That is 7 feet, 11 feet 7 inches, 7 by 8 inches. So I'll be using 11 feet 8 inches offset, that is horizontal. Now vertical I'm looking for, so it is 10 feet 3 inches. Offset, enter 10 feet 3 inches. Always you have to go with the vertical measurement. Set, enter 6 inches. Fine. So like this you have to take a drawing. Next you have to go with the vertical measurement, that is 12 feet for living room. Offset 12 feet. So this is your living room, it's done. Offset 9 inches. Okay. So next we'll be going with the bedroom. So we'll be using a bedroom. So bedroom is horizontally 7 feet. Okay. 3 by 16 inches. So I'll be taking as 13 feet. Offset, enter 13 feet. Okay. Over here offset, enter 6 inches, but this I'll consider from inner side. So now I have taken this as 12 feet 6 inches. Fine. Next I will trim. Means now my bedroom is from here to here, so I have to use a trim command and trim it over here. So this is also trimmed and fill it over here. So like this you are going to draw your plan. So it's 7 feet 11 inches. Offset, enter 7 feet 11 inches. Okay. Again offset, enter 6 inches is my wall thickness. Then you have to use a trim command and trim over here. So your toilet is done, your bedroom is done. Now over here you can see there is a toilet. So this is vertically 10 feet 10 inches. Set, enter 10 feet 10 inches. You have to draw it. Offset, enter 6 inches. All inner walls are of 6 inches. So trim, enter. Select your object which you don't want and delete it. Okay. Now what is your toilet size? You can use with a 4 feet. So now here you can see it's 3 feet 5 inches. So I want move, enter. I want 7 feet 7 inches to exactly make it as 4 feet. Right. Now here it is 7 feet. Offset, enter 7 feet 8 inches. Enter. Now again offset of 6 inches for wall thickness. Now again trim it over here. So remove unwanted lines. So your bedroom is done over here. Trim. Before trimming, fillet it. So there won't be any problem. Trim, enter, F, enter. This one is offset, enter 6 inches. Okay. Now this is my living room, this is my dining, and here will come with the kitchen. Okay, so living dining it's 8 feet. I'll be taking as 7 feet. Offset, enter 7 feet, because what area I have taken it's too large. So offset is 7 feet. Offset 6 inches. Offset 7 feet. Offset 9 inches. Now we'll trim this one. We'll remove this one. Let me see, there is 6 feet space over here. Others we have to reduce our setback. So I'll be reducing overall my setback to 1 feet 6 inches. So 1 feet I'll be reducing. So my setback over back side is 1 feet 6 inches. It's enough. Offset, enter 6 feet. So here F, enter. Trim. So you can trim it over here. Now offset, enter 3 feet you need for your landing. it and remove the unwanted things. Enter. Offset. Now here you need 9 inches. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. At least 10 you need threads. So I'll be dividing into 3 feet. So you have enter. So this is your staircase done. Fine. And this will be your, what is this, 12 feet offset. 12 feet is your bedroom. So offset, enter. 9 inches. Offset, enter. 9 inches. F, enter. Trim. So over here you have to trim it. So you have to fill it out over here. Wherever lines are there which are not necessary, you can delete it. So there will be a continuity. So all over I'm deleting. You can make your own plan, but at starting stage I'm just giving you a reference plan. So this is my bedroom. So here over here I'll be filleting. So this will be the end. Okay. So in this manner I have been creating my plan. So here there is a wash area or utility area. Even that you can show. It is an open utility. Fine. The arcs you can even create it. That is start, center. How much you need? 90 degree you need. Sorry. Arc. Over here. So this is my door at present. Offset 0.5 inches. Offset 1 inch. Offset 6 inch. So this is my door I have done. So my door's standard size will be, how much will be 3 feet. So this is the main door which I'm going to, before that I'll make it a group. Select this one, use your align tool, select the start and enter. Do you want to scale and align? Yes, this is my 3 feet door. The same thing I'll be doing for another door, that is for washroom, 2 feet 6 inches, which are all standards. Okay, copy. Now I want to align this one, use align tool. Okay, start and enter. Yes, so I have already drawn 2 doors. So I'll be copying those things. Select mirror, MI is the shortcut key. Use your ortho. Yes, I want to delete the source object. Always keep little distance from a joint and trim this one. This is your door. Okay, the same thing over here. You have to use 2 feet for your platform. Those are standards. Then you extend, then trim over here. Always keep some setback, 2 feet. Extend, trim over here. Now I don't want this one, so I can delete it. So this is your utility area. Done. The same for your toilet door, mop, mirror, rotate you can use. RO is the shortcut key for your rotate tool. Select this one, move over here. MI is the shortcut key for mirror. Yes, I want to delete the source object. This is your toilet door. The same thing we can copy over here. Fine. Again, mirror over here. Rotate over here. And place it. So again, mirror over here. And place it. And trim the wall. So again, for bedroom door, I'll be using your main door only. For that, select, rotate, select, move it. So it will be open always, doors. Always make a opening towards your room and panel towards your wall. So these are the openings, and this will be the dining area, this will be the living area, this is your kitchen, this is your portico, and this is the stairs. Want to show your gate, normally I'll give 8 feet gate, and you have to just show a symbol over here and trim the cutter. Fine, this is your gate. Unwanted stuff you can delete it. Now again, windows. So for windows, I'll be using 3 feet width window, offset 3 feet, offset 5 feet window for bedroom, and for window you have to give a 3 inches. I'll be giving double line. So this represents your window. Fine. Just make it in an alignment little. So this is your window. Now coming to your ventilator. Offset 2 feet 6 inches. I'll be giving ventilator. That I'll be representing with a single line. The same thing over here comes your ventilator. Offset 2 feet 6 inches. Again, for this bedroom, I'll be using the same window what I have created for a previous window. Bedroom, rotate it. So like this you can reduce your working time of your ortho and place it. The same thing window, you can even increase the window size. Okay, at present I'm just copying and pasting the window. Just draw a straight line and extend it. E-double enter is your extend command. So in this manner you are going to make your plan. Now if I want to text it, I have already taught you. Go for annotation, multi-line text, and draw a box. So it's a master bedroom. Fine. Drag it out. Okay, size is too big, so you can make it to 6 inches or 9 inches. The same thing you can even copy it. Double click. So to make your work easy, we'll just copy all the places. So content you can change over here also. That is it is attached toilet. This is common toilet. C toilet. Now this is common or a children's bedroom. This is dining area. Dining. This is my utility. Utility. Utility, you need at least 3 or 4 feet space to keep any washing machine and such areas. If your plan is not working, you can even modify yourself your plan. Offset 9 inches and remove. You can rotate this one if you want to align everything in the same. You can just give it 6 inches, no problem. This is your kitchen. This is your living area. And this is your parking, portico, whatever if you want, you can name it. And this is your gate. Double click on that. This is your gate. And which floor plan is it is, you should mention below. It is a ground floor. You can resize this one. I'll be giving as 1 feet 6 inches, little bigger only in size. Select, move in a center. Now I will just make a rectangle to give a border. To give a look, I'll be changing the line width. So this is your line width we have used in our layers. So select, you can see that line width, but it is not showing. So for that, here in your modify panel only, below you will be having a command tool. There you are going to activate the line width. So this is your 30-40 plan. So if it is somewhere error, you have to move it or you have to align it. So thank you friends. This is all about 30-40 site.